In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up Shopify inbox chat on your Shopify store. Adding live chat to your website helps you communicate with customers in real time, answer questions quickly, and improve customer trust. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, locate and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage all the apps connected to your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Inside the App Store search bar, type Shopify Inbox. From the search results, select the Shopify Inbox app. Now click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions during installation. Simply continue through the prompts to complete the setup. Once the app is installed, return to your Shopify admin dashboard and open Shopify Inbox from your apps list. Inside the app dashboard, look for the Set Up Chat option and click on it. This will begin the live chat configuration process for your store. During setup, you can customize the appearance of the chat widget to match your brand style. For example, you can adjust colors, greeting messages, and chat preferences. You can also create a welcome message that customers will see when they visit your store. After configuring your settings, save the changes. Your Shopify chat widget will now appear on your storefront, allowing customers to contact you directly while browsing your products. This can help improve customer support, increase engagement, and potentially boost sales conversions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify chat on your store. Thanks for watching and goodbye.